Alright guys, I just got the agency power lightweight pulley from fastscions.com. We're going to go ahead and put this on a 2014 Scion XB second generation. And first off, we're going to start, I'm pretty much got my tools set up. I'm going to start out with my impact gun. I'm going to take the tire off and we're going to go from there. So that's a what we put on there. I think it's a 21 millimeter we're going to start out with, right? So we're going to go ahead and get the tire off and start the operation. Alright guys, so that's the crate pulley. That's going to be a 19 millimeter. So we're going to go ahead and crank up the gun again and see if we can get that off. Alright guys, so that's it. This job literally took me 5 minutes. Don't be afraid to do it yourself. It's simple. I had a 19 millimeter bolt, and I've seen a lot of people saying that they couldn't get it off because of their impact wasn't strong enough. This is Chicago Electric from Harbor Freight. This thing will move any bolt. It doesn't matter what it is. This will take it off and put it back on with plenty enough torque. I did cheat a little bit. So when I had my pulley off, I had my wife up top and she was holding the breaker bar. So she had the 19 millimeter bolt up top. I'll show you exactly where it was. All right. So the 19 millimeter bolt over here, hold on. All right. So when you have the 19 millimeter bolt over here, you want to put it on a breaker bar, right? Then, I don't know if you can see that bolt? There's a bolt right there. I know I'm upside down, but right between the belts, you see that bolt? So you just take your breaker bar, just take your breaker bar and get it on that bolt. And this is also how you change the bolt, guys. And you might have to change the direction on your breaker bar sometimes to get it on there. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it there. So I would have it up here. If I turned it one more time and then put the breaker bar back on, it would work. And you just pull down. That's how you change your belt also. That one little bolt right there, 19 millimeters, super easy. This entire job took me less than 10 minutes. And by the time I put everything else back on, that's it. It's a 15-minute job, guys. Agency power. Dyno test says it's proven for 10 horsepower, 11 foot-pounds of torque. So 100 bucks. It might be worth it, it might not. Let me put this all together. We'll start it up and check it out. Alright guys, I'm gonna get in there and start it up. So if it blows up, you guys will be the witness to it. It's all fun, you know, until something blows up. So let's check it out, see what happens. So the good thing is I don't hear any crazy noises coming from it, so I guess it's not going to fall off. Other than that, everything looks pretty solid down there, nice and straight, no noises. That's a good thing. Perfect. So look, just like that, guys. You know, if what they say is true, I gained a whopping 110 horsepower and 11 foot-pounds of torque in 10 minutes, you know. I'm not really gonna go on a test drive with this thing. It is what it is, guys. It's a lightweight pulley. It says it does something. Who really knows? I got a bunch of upgrades coming. We're gonna do a full series of videos on this XB right here. Kind of like what I did with the 2004 XB. We're gonna do it on the 2014 now, and see what we get. But I hope you guys appreciated the video. Hope you can do your own, or you do your own. Let me know if you have, or if you're willing to try it. Simple tools, guys. I had simple tools. So I had a breaker bar, about an 18-inch breaker bar with a 19 millimeter socket. Had the Harbor Freight impact gun, 19 millimeter socket, then a 21 millimeter socket for the wheels. And these I didn't even use. So that's it. That's all I use, guys, and that's it. 10 minutes is done. This old pulley is heavy. I should have done a weight comparison, but I'll tell you what, this one is heavy. There's no doubt about that. So, all right, guys, I appreciate you taking the time to check out the video. Stay safe, and hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.